Hey guys, this is V and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to clean up this area in my family room. I'm going to show you a very small little thrifted haul. These bowls, I purchased them from the Goodwill. Candle stand, Goodwill. This was $2.99. The candle stand was $3.99 and the bowl was $2.99. I also want to make some pillows for my fall styling, and we're also going to finally put my curio together. I took out my vents so I could clean them and spray paint it. So we're gonna focus on the curio. As you see, there's no glass, and I finally found the glass for it, and I cut them, and now I'm gonna get ready to put it in this. This was a lamp that I turned into a vase. It was sitting on top of the curio. This is the second curio. This one is closer to my breakfast room, and this one is in the family room. It's an open concept area. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the glass in, but first I need to put in some foam because I'm putting the glass directly inside of the curio. I'm not using any backing. So this is the way the lovely look, and it's metal. This is the color pillows that I am going to make. I guess it's a vlog style video. These are I purchased this fabric here, and I'm going to make me some pillows. And this is the way both of them look. One has the glass. What I'm showing you now is some candle stand that I thrifted. I think they stand about maybe 4 feet tall. This curio at one point was beige, then it was gold, and then it was brown. This is the foam, the vinyl foam that I am going to use. It's mainly used for, I think, windows, but you could find use for anything, right? So this is my glass right here that I cut and getting ready to put it in place. My curio stand about 6 feet tall, and as you see, it's highly designed, and I absolutely love it. So this is the foam. I pull it completely out. They come on a reel, and I got this here from Lowe's. Either Lowe's or Home Depot, but any hardware store. And this is what it looks like. Gonna put some here, some in the bottom, and it's a strip, and you just pull it out. The adhesive, it's on the surface of the piece, and the back end of it does not have any glue. It's only the surface area. So I finished putting in one of the glass, and this is how it looked. Put in the second one, and for a little bit of cushion to the back, I put some cardboard. So this is the way the pretty is looking. I put the shelves in already, and I'm just loving it. Loving it. I have the blue tape up there because after I put the glass in, I see areas that I need to touch up with the paint, and I use chalk paint on this. I wanted it to have a very matte look. You could also use flat paint, but I use chalk paint. So this is the way the sexiness look, and as you see, it is doubling my space because it's actually looking onto the kitchen in the distance. Also, I can see the kitchen in there. I can see part of my breakfast room, and this is the way the pretty is looking. I want to go ahead and put a light in there, a little mark chandelier. So I'm back showing you some of the stuff that I am going to put in there. This piece right here, I made this. I drilled a hole in the glass and then attach it with little washers to the candle stand. It's a whole makeup. So I might use this and some of these florals in here. I have that rubbing alcohol because I use it to first clean the glass and then use glass cleaner to get if there's paint on it or residue to get it off. So this is the way the sexiness look with the shelves in. I even put like an extra piece of mirror to the bottom to reflect the light. So now we are in my garage, and soon I'll be able to see what I want and what I really not going to use. I had to get them out of boxes, and I did that when I just moved in the whole home, build these shelves myself and painted them out. So I'm looking for a few pieces out there that I would love to put in the space. So this piece right here, I bought this from Marshall's, I think many years ago. It was broken at one point and I fixed it. These are actually wall vase. I love it just the color that it is, and I have 2 of them. I should have 3, but I don't know where the other one is. It's still maybe packed away. This is a ginger jar. There's a few lamps down here that I have to fix. This is another piece here that I thrifted. It's a ginger jar and it has an unusual top, and I really like it. Don't know if I'll change the color, but nevertheless, look at all of my goodies that eventually I'll get to put in space. Guys, I have at least 1,000 square feet of my house that I haven't shown you or decorated. This is Miss Lola picture that I need to put in the album. So this is a candle stand that I thrifted here lately. And now we are back inside, and I want to put in my mock chandelier. I'm going to eventually wire it with a real chandelier, but for now, this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to drill the hole to attach the lighting that I'm going to put in there. And I already marked the area out, and I have to put pressure. I don't know if I told you, this whole thing is metal. So 1 hole, 2 more to go. And it's just finally, I'm just happy that I could take care of this and make it fabulous. So now that I finished drilling the holes, there's 3 of them, we're gonna go ahead and style this bad boy and see how fabulous it looks. Yes, the pretty. So we'll go ahead and just see what she did in this curio. I absolutely love this curio the day I got it, and still is in love with it. I think I have this over 16 years now, and I am still loving it. So guys, I will let you listen to it to music. I'll let you finish viewing to music. So leave me a thumbs up. Tell me how you like it and how you think I did with styling it. Some of the pieces are new, like this beads right here. I bought it in Philadelphia this summer, and that was from Burlington. The pumpkins is Dollar Tree. I just sprayed out the stem and I put some leaves on there, glue some leaves on there. And the rest of the stuff, this right here is actually the top for this vase. I bought it after pandemic in, I think at Ross. And the topping that's on it is a thrifted piece that has the fleur-de-lis on it. And that's about it. I used the dough bowl in the bottom, and I guess